That is not Kelpie and Shred It Bro.
Definitely not Kelpie and Shred It Bro. 10,
we can pretend they
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight.
And both bots spinning up. Discs connect. Oh, and huge chunks of wheels everywhere. Zer0 doing a bit of show off. Oh, just huge hits. Zer0pression.
Beautiful hits.
You can see the belt holding that connected to the motor onto the disc on the underneath. Can Zer0 get to it and try and stop that blade?
There's chunks of the wheels all over this arena from Frogpression.
Bit of a belly scratch.
Frogpression.
Come on, we just fixed that floor.
Beautiful. Both these bots doing a beautiful dance around the arena on their weapons.
God,
this is really a brutal ballet out here.
Wood chips everywhere. Just absolute chaos. Another shot to the camera. I think that's the 10th time it's been shot now. now. And Zer0, are they still mobile? Zer0pression, I can see some sparks, and I think I see some flames underneath.
Frogpression dominating Zer0 at this point. Zer0 doesn't seem to be able to move.
Stuck.
Zer0, we're going to need to see some motion. Frogpression, go ahead and adding its own motion here.
The disc is spinning, but there's no one home.
Zer0 going ahead and turning around.
And I think Frogpression is omnidirectional.
1 minute left in this fight.
It looks like it's moving sideways, like it's omnidirectional. Although that might be due to the gyroscopics of the disc.
Zer0 needs to show some motion here. We're 40 seconds left. Let's see, show some motion. Zer0, can you show us some motion? Zer0. All right, our green bar, we're going down. Let's see.
And it looks like Frogpression.
Almost, let's see. And that's it, knockout.
That was messy, destructive, and it gave me crippling depression.
That was a beautiful knockout. Frogpression, crippling